There you go, mate. Jason?
Yo.
Mate, we were here before, so mate, my name's Constable Brown from Wollongong Police, alright? So there's been another allegation of a very short time ago. You were just up the road at the neighbours, the red car in the little alleyway there.
I wasn't even there.
Alright, you and your sister. Alright? As you can see, this red flashing light here, mate, is recording, so everything is being recorded, audio and visual. Okay, you understand that?
I'm telling you right now,
Do you understand? You're being recorded. Okay. Alright, so mate, look, at this point in time with these allegations, I'm going to be placing you under arrest, okay?
I'm under arrest.
For an intimidation.
See this, Brianna, I'm under arrest now. See what this...
For an intimidation.
Look, man, look.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Put me under arrest, brother. He ain't under arrest.
I ain't done nothing.
He hasn't done nothing.
I'm 18 years old.
He's
man.
18
I just
years
turned
old.
18 years
Yeah.
old.
We've been
Okay.
sitting here all night, doing nothing. So you want to come here and put me under arrest?
Okay.
Put me under arrest, brother.
Okay.
You want to put him
What was
under arrest?
what was your name?
My name's Brianna Lenehan. Look me up on your system,
No, stop
Okay.
because I've been done for more than he has, and he's done nothing.
So just let me speak for a
Trying to
second.
look after my sister.
Let me speak for a
I'm trying
second.
to look after
He's
her.
done nothing,
So-
lad.
Put
You
her
can
in
see
the
where I
shower.
am. If you want to
Listen.
take my
Put her in the
off,
shower,
I'll take my
man.
off,
Come
and I'll
on.
take all of yous on,
Stop it.
because you ain't done nothing.
Man, you
So
You've
at the,
been
mo-
sitting here
Stop it, I love you.
doing
Stop.
nothing.
Stop
at
it.
the
You've
moment,
been sitting here doing nothing.
you're both under arrest for the
Oh,
intimidation.
Put me under
Okay.
arrest, brother.
So you don't
You
have
think
to
I
say
give
anything.
a
Hey, stop.
You
Anything
think I
say
give
or
a
I will record.
Put me under arrest.
Can you let it
And
get
can use evidence in court, alright?
dressed?
That's fine, mate, but you're both coming back, simple as that, alright?
Hey, put the knife down, we've got a knife, we've got a knife! Get out!
Take the
Alright, you got me free. Ain't gonna taser me, dog. Ain't gonna taser me, dog. Ain't gonna taser me.
Get out! Get out! Drop the knife! Clear!
Knife secure?
I got it.
I've done nothing. I've done nothing. I've done nothing.
With your hand.
I've done nothing.
Alright, roll this way,
I've
roll
done
this
nothing.
way. One guy's coming.
I've done nothing. Why did you arrest my brother? Why did you arrest my brother? Why did you arrest
I
my
got stabbed.
brother? I've done nothing.
Ah,
I'm
We've
fine.
been stabbed.
I'm fine. I'm fine.
You're going to jail for life, you idiot.
Go to jail for life.
What do you mean, mate? What do you
My dad said I've been things with PTSD. You will get in trouble. I've been done with PTSD. I've done nothing. I'm not even resisting.
you got cuffs
I'm not
on?
even resisting. I'm Aboriginal. I'm Aboriginal. I'm Aboriginal. I'll get you done. I've done nothing. I've been in my house the whole time. I've done nothing. I've done nothing.
Okay.
I've done
No,
nothing.
don't get into that shit.
I've done nothing. Done nothing, you dogs. You blue. You dogs. You're 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 dogs. I suffer with PTSD. You dogs. I suffer
Hey.
with PTSD. You dogs. I suffer with PTSD.
Hey, yeah, my taser's down there as well.
PTSD. I suffer
Okay,
with
calm down,
PTSD.
calm down.
I suffer with PTSD. I suffer.
Don't worry about their stuff, okay?
I'm
Can you
Aboriginal.
drive around you for a minute?
My land.
Secure.
This
Put a
is
bit of
my
pressure.
land.
I'll get it.
This is my land. This is my land.
That's alright. Is it all good? Yeah, it's alright, they got
This
it.
is my land. This is my land. This is
Yeah, I just got a stab wound on the end, but
You do?
yeah.